Good morning, people. The day is May 29th, and the stock market is giving us a signal. Stay tuned. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so what I have here on the top line is the VIX. The VIX stands for the Volatility Index, and it's essentially the fear gauge in the stock market. The light blue bold line represents the S&P 500 or the broader market, essentially. As you can see, the VIX spiked on March 16th, and shortly after, the S&P dropped to its lows on March 23rd. In normal situations, these two move opposite of each other, and it makes perfect sense. If VIX, the fear, goes up, then the market goes down. People sell. If the VIX goes down, less fear in the market equals more buying, the S&P goes up. Now, when the VIX and the S&P start moving in the same direction, it can signal a major reversal in the current trend. So let's take a look. As you can see here, here's our March 23rd low, minus 25% at that point. But ever since then, the market has been on an absolute tear, an absolute recovery. So we have been in almost a mini bull market here, just all the way up from that bottom. Okay, so now we know which way the market's been going. The trend is up, and you can see it here in the bold blue line that we've been on a recovery. Remember, the bold blue line is the S&P 500. Let's look at the VIX. At the very end here, we see it curtail upwards. So now we have the market going up and the VIX going up, which can signal a reversal. So right now, to me, it is not the time to buy. You can use this same method too to try to find a bottom of the market. So when you see the S&P falling and the VIX falling, it can signal a reversal to the positive side. Now, I believe in being a long-term investor. I'm more of a stock collector, but I do like to use this method to time my buys and get the best entry position possible. All right, guys, so that's my stock market cheat code of the day. There's times to buy and then there's times to wait. Switching gears, if you're following our dog versus man investing challenge, we're going to switch over to that segment now.
Importing all preferences from home interface.
So I let my dog pick 3 stocks, and I picked 3 stocks. If she wins, she gets to spend a day at a dog resort, and I have to get a cup of her dog food. All right, let's take a look at Mishi's stocks. Disney is still in the lead for her, but it has had a pullback. Nintendo, we've been saying it all along that it was pretty much priced to perfection and had nowhere to run. Pfizer, starting to make some moves, not bad. And that brings Mishi's total to a whopping 16.86%. Wow, great job, Mishi. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at my stocks. I got Waste Management up 6.93%. I always felt confident in Waste Management. Knew that they were going to be okay. JP Morgan Chase up 10%. Visa 5.3%. That brings me to a total of 22.86%. And I'm beating that. Eat your heart out. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you learned something about the VIX versus the S&P. And Mishi, go ahead and eat your heart out. I'm winning now. I'm in the driver's seat. We'll see if she's going to get that day in the dog resort. I bought the good dog food just in case I got to eat a cup of it, but I don't see it happening. Peace out, guys. Consider giving us a like and a subscribe.